Yeah, old Carl, German guy. Motorcycle guy too. It's kind of funny. Everybody loved him though. They look brand new, don't they? These were my very first measuring instruments I ever had. You know, precise measuring instruments. Yeah, Carl got them for me. And he goes, now you take care of these. He goes, I'm not buying you another set. And I've had them ever since. And I use the shit out of them. These keys are tight like this. They put dings on the keyway so the key stays tight in the shaft. So you gotta knock them in.